Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. Welcome to Backspace. In this practical tutorial, we will learn how to blur or hide text inside an image directly in Microsoft Word for privacy, security, or clean presentation. This method is perfect when you need to cover sensitive information such as a name, emails, number, or confidential details in screenshot and photos. Many users try to crop or delete parts of an image, but that often ruins the layout. In this video, we will learn smart and professional techniques to blur or hide text while keeping your document design intact. So let's get started. We can see here many page and many text. Now you want to hide any text of a picture. Now you can see here a picture. Otherwise you can go to online and find the picture which written a text. Now I go to this page, then zoom in the document, then go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose the picture from my file. We can see here a picture. Select the picture, go to the format menu and click the wrap text option, choose in front of text because you can move the picture anywhere. Now we can see here many information to this form. Now I want to hide any text like the example or visit example.com etc. or here. Now I go to the insert menu again, click the shape drop down menu. Now I am choose this rectangle shape. Now I select the example text over the shape, go to the format menu, click the shape fill option, then select the color of this shape. Now I go to this option and select the color. Here we can see here many color. Now I match the color to this background. Select the shape, go to the shape outline, choose no outline. Then go to again the shape fill option and choose the gradient option. Then go to here. Then erase the transparency of the shape and we can see we blur the text easily. Otherwise you can choose the solid color. Go to the color option and go to the more color. But here not available the swatch. That's why we select automatically. Then you can change the transparency of the shape, then close the window. Now we can see we blur any part of picture text easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.